What's up guys? Andy Paredes here, IFBB Pro, Classic Physique, and Raw and Revive Athlete. Right now, we're here in Stuart, Florida, and I'm gonna go through a chest workout at one of the best gyms in the whole country, the Revive Gym. I'm super excited to use all the equipment, but I can't get a lift in without, obviously, this is my go-to stack here. It's about 5 p.m., so it's a little bit later in the day. So I usually tend to lean towards the non-stim. I don't want to be too stimmed out, have too much caffeine later in the night. It'll affect my sleep and stuff like that. So the non-stim always gives me a really, really juicy pump. And then I usually go about 10 grams of creatine on there as well. So we're gonna take the last little drink here. Okay, now I'm gonna run you guys through a chest workout, probably do a little bit of tries at the end. It'll probably end up being more like a push day. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to work. Okay, easy. Okay. So as you guys might have noticed, my training style, I really just try to focus on controlling the negatives, getting a really, really slow and controlled stretch, a controlled squeeze. I want to eliminate all of the following, right? So I want to eliminate momentum, any swinging, anything that's going to negatively affect hypertrophy. So as you can see in my reps, I try to have really, really good form and maintain that form from start to finish. So even when those reps start to get hard, I maintain that slow negative and that control. And pretty much that's gonna ensure I'm gonna stay injury free, which is good, but also I'm not gonna be using my biceps or my front delts to move this way. It's gonna be all in the pecs, which is what we want. So sometimes it's not about how much weight you have on there. It's about the connection, the contraction, and really just targeting that muscle. So that was only my second set, but it felt good enough to work with, so I just took it all the way. So that's one working set. We're gonna do one more, and then we'll jump into a press. That's what I'm thinking. So, okay, take about minute and a half rest, but we're already breaking a pretty good sweat in here, so I'd say it's going pretty good. Really just controlling this negative, getting the full stretch, pausing in the stretch position, driving. Okay. Oh, that shit's nasty. That shit is, oh my God. You guys, so honestly, building a chest is like something I'm really trying to emphasize in my off season right now. I feel like at USA's in 2023, when I earned professional status, my chest was not where it should have been, especially like in the side shots, like the side chest. So I've been prioritizing like building the chest in the off season. Because you guys know, when you do a pro show, yeah, you can't have any weak points at all. So I'm really trying to emphasize everything, but specifically chest. So come, let's see, September, when we do pro debut, it'll be my pro debut, so it'll be pretty cool. I definitely want to have one of the best chests on stage. So that's why these lifts are super, super important. So let's move on and let's continue this pump, all right? Here we go. All right. First off, first thing I gotta say, look how beautiful this dumbbell rack is. Oh my goodness, look at this. You know what, I may as well just start with the 50s. Okay. Fuck, my dumbbells feel easy. Feel good. Easy. Oh man, these dumbbells are so smooth. It's honestly gonna be the same thing with almost every exercise we do. It's gonna be about 2 working sets, 1 to 2 warm-up sets before those top sets, and then those top sets we're just gonna take all the way. So 50s felt pretty good. Probably jump up to 75s, 80s, and we'll go from there. It's too light. This feels better. Oh yeah, easy. Easy. Man. So I just got here in Florida yesterday from California. Probably a total of about, what, like 8-9 hours of traveling between getting to the airport, the connecting flight, what else? The long flight, and then getting the rental car and driving here to Stewart. But I gotta say, even just coming here to train, worth the trip alone. I know it might sound crazy, but this equipment is just next level. Where I live, small town, Fresno, California, probably never even heard of it. There's not much there, I'll tell you that. So I'm definitely taking advantage of this really good equipment and this atmosphere for sure. So I'm gonna do my top set now. I haven't really even honestly done dumbbells in a while. I don't know, I might do like 135s. So see how that feels, and then we'll go from there. Like I mentioned, you know, it's not about like, you know, how heavy we can go. It's about how heavy we can go without compromising our form, right? So if I can do the 135s for a good solid set, good form, slow negatives, I'll take it. Easy, 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 easy. Whew, okay. Whew. Easy. Oh, yes. Okay, come on. Hey. Oh, yes. Oh. 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 Ooh. Yep. Yeah. Fuck. Nice. It's too light. Too easy, bro. Too easy, bro. All the way from California. It's too easy, bro. Nah. That was pretty good. That was heavy. That was solid. I'll take it. Okay. Yep. That set took a lot out of me for sure. Just kidding. But we are gonna back down a little bit to the hundreds, slow and controlled. Well, you know, this tank though. Gotta just lift this tank a little bit. Nice. Okay. Where's the bench? There Good. 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 Fuck. Good. Good. God damn. Oh. Oh yeah, that was the one. Why was that set harder than the 135 sets? I don't know why. That jet lag or something. I don't want to make any excuses, but yeah, I don't know. Could be the jet lag, maybe it's just in my head. Number one thing, just can't forget to re-rack your weights. That's all. Those boys are going hard on hamstrings. Props. Oh, so this is the flex leverage chest press. This piece is actually famous. I'm like low-key fanboying right now because this is actually my first time ever seeing this piece in person. So I can only imagine. But I think the most important part about this piece is that it converges. So meaning you start wide and as you press, it's gonna come in. So that should be good. This should be good. Oh, this feels so fucking good, dude. Oh. Oh my God, this machine is fucking just absurd. Ooh. Okay. Oh my God, that machine fucks. All right. So honestly, I think I'm gonna go higher reps on this just because it feels so good. Slow and controlled. I wanna probably get about 10 to 12, maybe 12 to 15, but this feels so good that, man, the contraction I really just wanna focus on. So probably throw on a quarter. So our working sets is just gonna be a plate and a 25, which is honestly pretty underwhelming, but just remember, it's not about the weight, you know? Anyone can just throw on like 5 plates and lift it with pretty shitty form. So, you know, we wanna go slow and controlled and just take it easy, right? So, quarter it is. I don't care. Fuck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's I have no words. I have no words for this machine. Besides that, my chest is pumped, fully pumped. Now, that's 1 fly, 2 presses. I'll probably do 1 more press. Now the question is, what press do I use? Because you got prime, you got more prime over there. I don't know, man, it might be prime. You think 1 plate's too light to start with? Start with 2 maybe? Hey, bro, having a hard time getting in. Okay. Okay. Oh, better. Oh, that hits. Yep, you were right. Yes. Oh my God. If only you guys see the pump. We'll do this right side first, and then when I get under it, then we'll do the left side, okay? Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this one. 1, 2. Yeah. Okay. All right, I got it. Oh. Oh. Fuck yeah. Here we go. Ah. Fuck. I'm gonna just lay here for a minute. Hold on. Honestly, my chest is pretty thrashed. 1 fly, 3 presses, 2 working sets each. That's 8 working sets. In my opinion, that's more than enough, especially for something like chest. Maybe legs and back, you do 8 to 10, a little bit more volume, but for chest, my chest is fried right now. So let's see, the dilemma is I want to keep training. So what do you think? Some shoulders, tries? Shoulders are kind of lacking, huh? Yeah, bro, you're right. All right, that's why we're gonna do this side raise, the Arsenal side raise. Whole stack on this or what?
No, I would. Shit.
I'm about to lighten it up a little bit, bro. Okay. It's easy. Okay. We're gonna pump up these shoulders a little bit since this guy thinks my shoulders are too small, which, I mean, I also think that, so, you know, honestly, I don't mind. Probably do a couple sets, 15 to 20 reps, should be more than enough. And then I think we'll find a good spot to pose. That way we can kind of see if my chest has made any progress, but it probably hasn't. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Sneak peek, you know? Okay. All right. That's a wrap. Hey, that's a wrap. Okay. Let's go try to do some posing and see what we looking like. Okay guys, push day done at Revive Gym, and I was gonna go home and have a boring, you know, chicken and rice meal, but the folks over here at Revive make it so easy to hit the macros, and you know, I'm in the off season, so why not? So I went ahead and ordered the Bahama Mama, but instead of vanilla protein, we're gonna go with chocolate. So get some protein in, but this is a wrap. This is a wrap. It was honestly an honor to train at the Revive Gym, use all the great equipment, have the great atmosphere. I got to finally meet Vaughn, which is really, really cool. You know, I've been following Vaughn for a few years, and he's based out here in Florida. So being able to catch him in the gym, talk it up with him for a little bit, it honestly means the world to me. So I hope to see you guys a lot more soon. Follow me on Instagram, NDP Bodybuilding. I'm sure you'll see it whenever. And I appreciate all the support, all the love. Raw and Revive, of course. And we'll see you guys next time, all right? Yeah.